Hi guys, I'm James Garcia and today we'll be talking about aquaponics. So aquaponics is basically the same as hydroponics, wherein you use water as a direct source of nutrients for the things you're planting. The main difference is that the source of nutrients in aquaponics are living animals, and in this case, I'll be using fish. So the goal of this project is to show everyone that you can build an aquaponics system even in a condo unit. A lot of people want to try aquaponics but they believe that they can't because in condo units there's not really an outdoor space to do any planting. But in aquaponics you really don't need that. You just need water and you just need to build a stable system for your aquaponics. Alright, so now let's dive into the specifics of my project. So I decided to go with 2 goldfish for my aquaponics project because goldfish, they poop a lot, so that's a lot of nutrients for the plants. They don't require a lot of space. That's just 20 gallons per fish. So 2 fish would mean 40-gallon tank, and that's enough for the space that I have. And then they don't eat the roots of the plants that that's in the tank. So I decided to go with that because I'll be using a deep water system, which means that if this was the tank, the roots of the plants will be directly in the water, and if the fish were to eat the roots, that would destroy the plant. So goldfish are ideal for deep water projects. So I decided to use 3 different kinds of herbs for my project. I decided to go with herbs because herbs are container friendly. So you can put herbs in a container and then they would grow normally. They don't require a lot of soil, which is good because in my case I'm gonna consider other kinds of mediums for my aquaponics system, and they're really friendly when it comes to places where you don't have a lot of space. You can just use, typically you can plant herbs in windowsills or near a balcony. So in my case, I don't have a balcony, but I have a windowsill or an area facing a window, so that should be enough for my aquaponics system. So now I'll be showing you the space that I have for my aquaponics project. So right here you can see my desk, which is just around 35 inches. So 35 inches of space is enough for the tank that I got, which is around 35 inches by 20 inches. That's a 40-gallon tank. And then in this area you can see the row of windows that's facing my desk. So since I'm doing an off-grid build, meaning that I have to consider that my aquaponics system will be powered by solar energy. So I have to still determine if this is a viable location for it, but so far it receives a lot of sunlight in the morning, and that should be enough to power my aquaponics system, since the only thing that I need for my aquaponics system is just an air pump, since it's a deep water system, meaning that excuse me, I don't need a pump to bring water outside of the container into a different container. I just need an air pump that drives the water, providing oxygen for the fish, as well as moving the water upwards and moving the nutrients around the water until the plants can digest it. And that's it for my first week. Join me next week when I go shopping for the supplies. I'll probably buy the fish next week. I'll be starting my build, and alright, see you guys.